There are so many aspects to starting a business, from branding for your website, your business cards, your logos and more, to the hugely daunting task of incorporating your LLC with all the correct legal filing. Thankfully, there are now services like Tailor Brands who take care of all of this for you, saving hours and hours of work and possibly weeks of stress. So in this video, we'll talk about what they offer, how much they cost, how they compare with some other companies in the same space, and some of the pros and cons. And by the end of this video, you should have all the info you need to decide whether or not they're the right fit for you to help you incorporate your business or not. Let's take a quick look at how Tailor Brands got started and what they're about. They got started back in 2014 with the goal of giving new businesses everything they need to get off the ground. After helping launch a bunch of companies, they noticed something important. A lot of these new businesses didn't feel fully legit until they had some kind of digital presence, like a logo, a website, or other branding materials that helped build trust with clients and employees. So they decided to build a platform that gives startups everything they need, not just to handle the legal side, but also to take care of branding and marketing, all in one place. It all started with their logo maker, which then expanded to include website building, digital business cards, custom merchandise, and business registration tools. And the best part, Tailor Brands works with both US and non-US citizens, so it's accessible no matter where you're based. Plans, pricing, and features. Like I mentioned earlier, I've been involved in starting several businesses over the years, so I've tried a bunch of services like Zen Business, LegalZoom, Swift Filings, and even Busy. Well, what used to be Busy, and honestly, I wouldn't recommend that one. But I've definitely learned a lot along the way. Tailor Brands is a bit different from the others. Instead of just picking a plan up front, they walk you through a process to figure out exactly what your business needs. Then they give you a custom estimate based on that. I think that's pretty cool and unique compared to the other companies I've tried. And if you're looking to register your business, keep in mind that state filing fees are separate and vary depending on your location. As for Tailor Brands, they currently only support LLC formations. So if you're planning to register a C Corp, S Corp, or non-profit, you'll need to go with another service like LegalZoom or Zen Business. I've linked reviews for both of those down in the description if you want to explore those options. Plans. Now let's talk about their plans and pricing. They start with the Light plan, which is completely free. You just cover the state filing fees. It covers the basics as long as you submit all your documents they promise to file within 14 business days. But keep in mind, the state processing after that can still take a few weeks, so patience is key here. Next up is the Essential plan. This one is around $200 a year, plus state fees. It gives you expedited filing within 2 days and includes compliance reminders to keep you on track with state laws, like reminding you to pay annual fees or file taxes. You also get a standard operating agreement, which is super important if you have business partners. It lays out who's responsible for what and how the company is run. Finally, if you want the most value, there's the Elite plan at around $250 a year. It includes everything in the Essentials plan, plus a bunch of marketing goodies like a business website domain for a year, up to 8 free logo designs, and a digital business card. You also get access to their AI-powered website builder and a social media post generator, which is great if you're not sure how to handle posting on Facebook or Instagram for your business. And of course, if you want to give Tailor Brands a try, check out the exclusive link in the description below. For most of the products that we talk about, we have special deals that you won't find if you went straight to their website. So feel free to take advantage of that. Add-ons. No matter which plan you choose, Tailor Brands gives you the option to open a free business bank account through their partner, Mercury. If you want to handle things on your own without choosing a paid plan, you can still purchase individual add-ons, like an operating agreement for about $30, an EIN for $100, and a few other operational tools. That way, you have the flexibility to handle most of the setup yourself and just get help with the parts that you need. That said, Their essential plan usually ends up being a better deal if you need more than one of these tools. For branding, you can still use their free logo maker to design something on your own. Just keep in mind, the free version only gives you a low-res file. If you want the high-quality version for printing and other uses, you'll need to upgrade. But once you download your logo, it's yours to keep forever. For non-US residents, if you're a non-US citizen or you live outside the US, you can still register a company in America through Tailor Brands. They'll set you up in Delaware or Wyoming, two states that welcome international owners and don't tax LLCs. Just keep in mind, as a non-resident, you can't act as your own registered agent, so you'll need to pay Tailor Brands to handle that part for you. However, as a foreign LLC owner, you can apply for an EIN yourself by completing Form SS4 and sending it by mail or fax to the IRS. Competitors. Let's talk about competitors. There are a few options out there, and like I mentioned, I've tried some of them. For starters, Swift Filings and Zen Business both offer free initial registration, but if you want their full range of services, like business management tools and compliancy help, you'll have to pay. Plus, you'll still need to cover the cost of getting an EIN. I think Tailor Brands is a great choice, especially if it's your first time starting a business. They guide you through the process step by step without overwhelming you with tons of extra services, which can get confusing if you're new to all of this. For example, Swift Filings will file your registration for free within 10 days, and they support different types of companies, not just LLCs. And their standard plan costs $200 without any discounts, which is about the same as Tailor Brands' Essential Plan. The tools included are a bit different from what Tailor Brands offers. But one thing to note, you'll need to pay an extra $35 for an operating agreement since it's not included in the plan. Then there's My Company Works. They don't have a free plan, but their basic package is $79 plus state fees. They include same-day processing, an operating agreement, compliance alerts, and more. What they don't offer though, and where Tailor Brands really stands out, is their logo maker and website design tools. Tailor Brands isn't just about getting your business registered. They also help build your brand from the ground up, which is pretty unique. My experience with Tailor Brands was pretty different from the other services I've tried. First off, you have to go through the whole process of registering an account and telling them about your business before you actually see any pricing. You can start by designing a logo, just enter your business name and you'll get some simple options that can help create a decent logo and brand image quickly. Of course, if you want to download a high quality version of your logo, you'll need to subscribe. Now, if you're planning to launch your company with Tailor Brands, I'd recommend going with the Elite plan. It pretty much covers everything you'll need for the entire year. It includes help with legal paperwork, expedited processing, compliance tracking, and updates, so your brand is set up and ready to go. Since I've been through the business startup process before, I think it's worth letting the experts handle all of the boring, time-consuming paperwork and take care of everything for you. Customer service mostly starts with a chatbot, and I found it wasn't great at answering my questions. They do have a pretty detailed help section, and you can email them, but that also begins with automated replies. You'll have to go through several layers before you finally get to speak with a real person. That was a bit annoying. I also wish I could have seen their plans and pricing up front, but then again, the end result more than made up for it. In the end, I got a logo, a website, my company registered, and even set up my business tax number and registered agent without much trouble. These are all things you need to legally operate in the US. And overall, Tailor Brands turned out to be an affordable and reliable option for everything that I needed. Recommendation. Alright, that pretty much wraps up this video. But there's still one big question. After trying out a bunch of different services, would I actually recommend Tailor Brands? I'd say it's a good option if you're looking to start a business and want some help getting things like your branding and an online presence all in place. It's also one of the easiest platforms to use, so if simplicity matters to you when forming an LLC, then it's worth checking out. And that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. And like I mentioned already, if you want to give Tailor Brands a try, then check out the exclusive link in the description below. For most of the products that we talk about, we have special deals that you won't find if you went straight to their website. And also, feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll do my best to try and answer them as fast as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.